Hello everyone, my name is Jinete Jr. and today we're making 4 patterns using Arduino. First of all, we're going to need a breadboard, an Arduino of course, and let's just flip it for an easier connection. And of course we're going to need a resistor valued at 100 ohms. And of course an LED for our pattern. I'm going to choose blue. Yeah, let's go with blue. Or maybe green. Yeah, I'll choose green instead. Now for here we're going to just copy paste 12 of these onto our breadboard. Okay, that's all done. Those are 12. Now we're going to move on to our resistor and just also put 12 on the cathode side. That means the negative side of our LED. And it's done. Now for the Arduino to the breadboard, just connect the ground to ground. Next is the resistor to our ground. Just follow what I do. And yep, let's just change it to black to represent ground. Oh, okay. Okay, that's it for the resistors. Now we're moving on to the positive side of the LED. We're just going to start with this one here and just connect it there. And then we're just going to follow through just like that, and that goes for the rest. And that's pretty much it. That's all the connections we need for our LEDs and the resistor to Arduino. Now we're going to move on to our code. Just click text here and then continue. And then just delete all that. We don't need that. I have here the code for our Arduino. Just copy and then paste it here. Now this part here, this is our pins, our LED to our Arduino. Let's see if it works. If this works, we're gonna see 4 patterns. And this is the first pattern here, just counting 1 to 12, and then in reverse. The next pattern will be the collision pattern. They're gonna collide in the middle, and the last is that. It's gonna light all 12 of them at the same time. See it one more time. And I think we're pretty much done here. After all 4 patterns are made, are rendered, there we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching.